jump tip nam ta ki khubor laikam kidon ki kam hikai but ki kam ki bomde ru ki kam hikai tiang in pemta work interview for the contractual post at civil hospital Maukerwan 1 PMAM/DEO 1 post qualification 12 pass with diploma in computer application 6 months experience 1 year salary day 10,000 fixed last date for submission of application Kande country September Arhajar Arpusau Kande Kade Hapo Mau Kerwan. Let's go. A work interview is scheduled on 17 September 2024 at 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. for the post of 2 matrons on contract basis at the venue GNV West Khasi Hill, Meghalaya. For more detail regarding eligibility, namtagi jingte bakamni hawai debat kini ki post matron fill up lej hapok kane ka website me log into novadia.gov.in NVS School Southwest Khasi Hill home SD principal GNV Southwest Khasi Hill te sala ban lej hang tu ki bako apply namtagi ni post matron hang to GNV Southwest Khasi Hill tang ma hapok website pede ka de po GNV West Khasi Hill tang ma ka de po Southwest Khasi Hill. Hey, kami kai ke berlanjut ke deficit post application instant forms are invited for the post of assistant teacher deficit at Sutunga Presbyterian Secondary School candidate with bachelor degree and above qualification with PN may apply age as per government norms. Last date of submission the application is on 23rd September so can apply September last date taken down regarding test and interview will be intimated later dalam pendapat form dah bila submit can submit dahatin. Candidate is advised to provide your contact number and email address from information contact number fila nam tagging tu bakhamne fila wan phone ni number la dai nyuron sansau prai we in real but nyuron sanot line real kandai lai sao. Secretary School Managing Committee Sutunga President Secondary School Kande Goivan Laikam Bethany Hospital Shillong dan kam kerki ki candidate pandai degree BSc/diploma in EG technology candidate pada jumbat kilawan email ya resume syaga hr@bethanyhospital.com hal niswa khasan September arjar sa shua por san PM. Second Goivan ada assistant teacher 1 assistant teacher at Ajba Union Upper Primary School Lauba Mosenram Block minimum qualification graduate DLED/BN DLED and BN cooperation में कंडे बिच साउपो नम ताकि STSC but life run नम ताकि OBC salary कदे ad hoc STEM candidate possess UPM certificate interested candidate should send their application in standard form to the Secretary Managing Committee on or before Khandai September arjar saul airu kotak nomor hangne new not san pra saulai we Khandai Sakoi para kam hikai don kam nong hikai ha Powin UPS Ribhoi district post assistant teacher tamakade Hindi post qualification graduate in stream with DLED Dayat direct magam syaregi NIS unempted salary as per ad hoc grant last date of receiving application is 14 September 2024 for detail contact tenam ta jing tip khamne habai de kane post filawan phone ni atlik number phone pranyo rew handai not new sao ban new not san rr khandai way khandai lai tehne laong ba graduate in stream kanon stream tamaka post per Hindi post te filawan phone hiyo phi nam ta jing tip khamne habai de kane banyo jing shai khamha te tangi ne jing tip khublei shibun